Hey everyone, this is video number 10 in the series of ratio and proportion, and I'm telling you this concept is going to be really very important for your examination, क्योंकि आपको हमेशा ही ऐसे questions पूछे जाते हैं and students try to make these kind of problems very complicated, whereas you can solve them in one or two lines. So let us understand what are those one or two lines. My first problem here is a solution of volume 40 liters. तो आपके पास में 40 लीटर का एक सॉल्यूशन है जिसमें उसने बोला कि वाटर एंड मिल्क को मिक्स करके रखा. इज दैट ओके? एंड इन व्हाट प्रोपोर्शन? इट हैज बीन मिक्स्ड इन 2:3 proportion. So how much is going to be the water? 2/5 of the total, and milk is going to be 3/5 of the total. How am I getting 5 in the denominator? 2 plus 3, 5, right? 2/5 of what? 2/5 of the total volume, which is given to you in the problem as 40 liters, whereas 3/5 of the 40 liters is going to be the milk. If you simplify these values, you are going to get 16 and 24. What does that mean? Out of a 40 liters of the mixture, you have got 16 liters water and 24 liters milk. Did you understand this? Now, the second problem. It is in the continuation to what did we do? A solution of volume 40 liters has water and milk in the proportion 2:3. So you have got 40 liters and then you have got water and milk. So we figured out that the water is 16 liters whereas milk is 24 liters. This is what we did in the previous problem, isn't it? How much water should be added to make it half water, half? Understand, you're mixing water, you're not mixing milk. So milk any which way is going to be 24 liters, and then you add some water. How much water you're adding? I said that x liters of water is being added into the solution. Now what is the meaning of saying that this is going to be half water, half milk? Half water, half milk. Milk and water, they are in the same proportion, 1:1. Did you understand this? भाई इक्वल है तभी तो वो हाफ एंड हाफ हो रहे हैं. इस ऐसे तो होता है 1:1 milk and water, then it is going to be 1/2, and this one is also going to be 1/2. How are we getting 2 in the denominator? 1 plus 1, 2. Now half water, half milk. Understand this thing. So can I say directly that 16 plus x should be equal to 24, because the amount of water and milk, they both are same. And if you simplify this thing, what are you going to get? You are going to get x as 8 liters. So if you mix 8 liters of water, then in the solution the quantity or amount of water and milk, both of them will become 24 liters, and the proportion will become 1:1. अगर आपको ये समझ में आ रहा है तो I'm gonna solve the next problem. अब यहाँ से ना थोड़ी सी डिफिकल्टी लेवल बेटर होनी शुरू होती है और स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ से बैफल्ड होने शुरू हो जाते हैं. तो आप इस वाली क्वेश्चन को ना बड़ी पेशेंस के साथ में देखो. इट सेज दैट अ सॉल्यूशन ऑफ 40 लीटर्स, आपको दिया अभी भी 40 लीटर्स है. वाटर एंड मिल्क, they have been mixed in 2:3 ratio. What does that mean? 16 liters is going to be water and 24 liters is going to be the milk. Now what is the problem? How many liters of milk should be added? Milk को add किया, water जितना है उतना का उतना ही है, isn't it? अब आप ये देखना कि अगर water और milk है तो दोनों में से एक ही मिलाएगा वो. अब वो मिला क्या रहा है यहाँ पे? The problem says that the milk is being added, and by doing so the proportion of milk and water is now changed to 5:2. एक जो सबसे बड़ी गलती स्टूडेंट्स करते हैं ना, वो यहाँ पे इसको 5:2 लिख देंगे. नो, this 5:2 means 5 part is water and 2 part is milk. Rather your problem is saying that milk to water becomes 5:2. So water to milk becomes 2:5. That's understanding number 1. अभी क्या करना है इसको? अगर आप ध्यान से देखो, 2 part as of now is water. 2 part is water. So how much is 1 part? It's very simple to find out. What is 1 part? 1 part is equal to 8 liters. And what is 5 part? 5 part has to be some because you're going to be adding milk. So how much milk are we adding? Say x liters of milk we are adding, and it becomes 24 plus x. So if one part is equal to 8 liters, its 5 part is going to be how much? 40 liters. Did you understand what is that I'm trying to say? This is what is my shortcut. अगर ये समझ में आ गया तो फिर प्रॉब्लम खत्म हो गया. And it says that if 24 plus x is equal to 40 liters, how much is going to be x? If you simplify, it is going to be nothing but 16. काम खत्म हो गया. आपको क्या करना है उस सॉल्यूशन में जहां पे वाटर एंड मिल्क आर इन 2:3 रेशियो, if you mix 16 liters of milk, then the proportion will get changed and water to milk will become 2:5, or you might also say that milk to water will become 5:2. Did you understand this thing? So I just took the help of unitary method and I said that, okay, so if 2 part is equal to 16 liters, then 5 part is going to be how much? It is given to you as this. So 5 part is equal to 40 liters, and 40 liters must be equal to this, and यहां से हमारे x की वैल्यू आ जाएगी. हमारा काम हो गया खत्म. Now these are the problems जो स्टूडेंट्स को हमेशा ही ट्रबल में डाल के रखता है, क्योंकि स्टूडेंट्स इसको ना रेशियो से सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करते हैं. And I said never ever do that. You take the LCM method. I have made fantastic 6 to 7 LCM videos. They are there in the number system playlist. Go and watch those videos to build your understanding about LCM and HCF, because this one is a really important topic. यहां से प्रॉब्लम अगर आपको LCM and HCF समझ में आता है तो मेरे हिसाब से ये प्रॉब्लम 2 लाइन का है, अदरवाइज ये प्रॉब्लम 1 पेज का है. तो वो 2 लाइन क्या है, वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड. इज दैट ओके? सो द रेशियो ऑफ मिल्क एंड वाटर, there are 3 containers. So container number 1 and container number 2, and then you have got container number 3, and milk to water over here is 3:2, and then 7:3, and 11:4. And it also tells you that containers of equal capacity. What is that equal capacity? अभी आप एक चीज समझो, ध्यान से देखना. वो इक्वल कैपेसिटी मेरे को कैसे चूज करना चाहिए. अगर मैं बोल दूं यहां पे 3:5 में जो मिल्क होगा ना, that is going to be 3/5 of the total, isn't it? And water is going to be what? 2/5 of the total. Does this make sense to you? In this case, milk is going to be what? 7 divided by 7 plus 3, which is 10, and then water is going to be 3/10. So this is the milk and this is the water. This is the milk, this is the water. Similarly, milk here is going to be 11/15, whereas water here is going to be 4/15 of the total. Is that okay? Now what is that total? Understand, what are we trying to do here? If we choose a number which is going to be divided by 5 and by 10 and by 15, if a number gets divided by 5 and 10 and 15, our job is going to be very simple. And what is that we should be doing? We should take LCM of 5, 10 and 15. बाबा LCM ले लिया तो हमारा काम खत्म हो गया ना. LCM कितना हो गया इसका LCM आ गया 30. You do it on your own. What is the meaning of 30? 30 is the smallest natural number which is divided by 5 and 10 and 15. And in the number of 30, all the numbers, there 30 and then 60 and then 90 and then 120 and then 150, all the numbers will be divided by them, but which is the smallest number which is going to be divided by all the 3? 30. So what is that I'm going to be doing? मैं कह रहा हूं भाई हमारे सारे के सारे कंटेनर्स की कैपेसिटी हम कितनी ले लेते हैं? 30 लीटर्स. क्यों लिया 30 लीटर्स? क्या ये लॉजिक आपको समझ में आ रहा है? Why am I doing it? Because I know that 3:2, 7:3 and 11:4 में जो डिनोमिनेटर्स होने वाले हैं वो होने वाले हैं 5 and then 10 and 15. So what did I do? I took the LCM of 5, 10 and 15. काम सिंपल. अब आप देखना यहाँ पे अगर मैंने ये 30 लिया तो इसको 30 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे भाई 3/5 of the total and then 2/5 of the total. This is going to be what? Of 30. This is also going to be of 30, and then this one is also, no, this one 11/15 of 30. So don't you think that denominator is going to get cancelled? So what is that you're going to have? So this is going to be 18 liters of milk in the first one, 12 liters of water in the first one. In the second one, what is that we will be having? So this is going to be 21 liters of milk and 9 liters of water. And then here you will be having 22 liters of milk and then 8 liters of water. And what is that they are asking? What is the ratio of milk and water after mixing? So now you have got a fourth container जहां पे ये 30 लीटर, दूसरा वाला 30 लीटर और तीसरा वाला 30 लीटर आपने मिला दिया. So it becomes total of 90 liters. उस 19 liters में आपसे पूछ रहा है what is going to be the proportion of water and milk, which is very easy to find out. What is that we should be doing? We should find out. Sorry, just a minute. We should find out milk. The total milk here is 18 liters in the first container, 21 liters in the second container, and 22 liters in the third container. Whereas water in the first container is 12 and then 9 and then 8. If you simplify, what are you going to get? 29. And over here this is going to be how much? 18, and so this is going to be 40, 61. So 61 is to 29 is going to be the ratio of milk to water. If problem would ask you to find out what is going to be the ratio of water to milk, please do not answer this. Then your answer will have to be 29 is to 61. यहीं पे गड़बड़ी होती है क्योंकि ये दोनों ऑप्शन आपको एग्जामिनेशन पे देकर रखा होगा, 61 is to 29 and 29 is to 61. So you need to ask yourself as to what problem is talking about. Problem यहाँ पे बोल रहा है कि मेरे को ये बता दो what is going to be the ratio of milk to water. So milk to water 61 is to 29. Water to milk it is going to be 29 is to 61. So did you understand the method that I am talking about here? What did I do? I took the LCM method. मैं रेशियो से करने बैठता ना, ये प्रॉब्लम मेरा लंबा जाता. So this is what you need to learn from this video, how to take LCM. And if you have, what did I say? If you have not learned the concept of LCM, please go in the number system playlist, watch those 7-8 videos. Your concept will be absolutely clear. Now we will apply the same, but what is happening here in this problem? There are 3 containers. In the previous problem, the volume of the 3 containers were the same. What if the volumes are also different? So in this problem it says that the containers are the volume of containers are in the ratio of 5 is to 4 is to 5, and then milk and water are in the different proportions. उन तीनों को मिला दिया कहीं पे, मिलाने के बाद में they are asking what is going to be the proportion of milk and water. So what is that we should be doing? एक स्टेप यहाँ पे और बढ़ेगा. वो स्टेप क्या होगा? यहाँ पे बोला जा रहा है कि कंटेनर 1 and then container 2 and then container 3, they are in the ratio of 5 is to 4 is to 5. So understand this. It is going to be 5 over 14 of total. 14 is 5 plus 4 plus 5. This volume is going to be 4 of 14 of the total, and this volume is going to be 5 of 14. So the volume that we are seeking should be a multiple of 14. And अगर ऐसा हो गया तो वापस से ये जो फर्स्ट कंटेनर में बोल रहा है ना कि फिर देन मिल्क एंड वाटर आर इन द रेशियो ऑफ 1:5. अब ये 1:5 का क्या मतलब हो गया? मिल्क विल बी 1/6 ऑफ द टोटल and water is going to be 5/6 of the total. So the number that you are trying to find out should also be a multiple of 6. Then in the second situation, which is given to you as 3:5. So what does that mean? 3/8 and 5/8. So the number should also be divisible by 8. And last but not the least, this is 5/12 and 7/12. So the number should also be divisible by 12. So LCM निकालने के लिए कौन कौन से नंबर्स हमारे को ध्यान में रखने हैं? एक तो 14. You understand why we have to take 14 into consideration, and then we have to take 6, and then we have to take 8, and then we have to take 12. So we need to find out LCM of all these numbers. और अगर आप शॉर्टकट समझना चाहते हो तो मैं तो यही कहूंगा 5 + 1 6, 3 + 5 8, 5 + 7 12 and 5 + 4 + 5 14. इन सबका LCM निकाल डालो, एक ऐसा नंबर फिगर आउट कर डालो, आपका काम हो जाए. अब आप अगर देखो ना, आपने LCM मेथड से निकाला होगा तो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी 14. इन तीनों का LCM है 24. और अगर आप इसका एलसीएम निकालोगे तो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी 212 80 168। आप अपने में की कोई भी आपके पास मेथड है उससे निकालो, देखो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी 168 लीटर्स। अब इस 168 का हम करेंगे क्या, इस 168 का हम करेंगे क्या? इट इज गोइंग टू बी समथिंग लाइक दिस, कंटेनर 1, container 2 and then container 3. Let us be very patient with this problem because we are going to learn a lot from here, and if we learn this problem, मैं बता रहा हूं आपको, आप दुनिया की बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स को सिंप्लीफाई कर बैठोगे। और ये बोला जा रहा है 5/14 and 4/14. Now you know why am I writing 5/14, 4/14 and 5/14 of 168 of 168। ये 168 कहां से निकाला, ये निकाला मैंने एलसीएम। Now 168 necessarily is going to be divisible by 14. We don't even have to be worried about it. और अगर ऐसा हो गया तो ये आया कितना, 12। सो कंटेनर 1 में कितना आ गया, 60 लीटर्स, whereas in container 2 we have got 48 liters of mixture of milk and water, whereas this one is also coming out as 60 liters। बनी बात हमारी, बनी बात। अब इसके बाद ये क्या कहना चाहते हैं भाई साहब, ये कहना चाहते हैं कि इसमें जो मिल्क एंड वाटर है, मिल्क एंड वाटर तो इन दोनों में है, और इनके रेशियोज आपको प्रॉब्लम पे दे के रखा हुआ है। वो क्या दे के रखा हुआ है, 1:5। 1:5 का मतलब 1/6 of 60, and hence this is going to be 5/6 of 60. So this one is coming out as 10 liters of milk and 50 liters of water. Similarly, now you can do the calculation here because this is 3/5. So 3/5 of 48 liters. 3/5, no, this is going to be 3/8 because 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So this is 6. 18 liter will be the milk. So 30 liters will be the water. And in the third one, the ratio is 5:7. So milk is going to be 5/12 of 60, isn't it? 5/12 of 60. So this is going to be what? 25 liters will be milk and hence 35 liters will be the water. अब अगर ऐसी कहानी हुई तो we can find out how much is milk and how much is water. We can do the addition. So milk is going to be how much? 10 plus 18 plus 25. Whereas water is going to be how much? 50 liters in the first one, 30 liters in the second one, and this is 35. So can we simplify this thing? So this is going to be what? 28 plus 25, which is 53, and then this is going to be what? 50 plus 85, 50 plus 65, not 85. 50 plus 65 is equal to 115. So what is the ratio of milk and water? You see it is coming out as 53:115. और ये चीज ध्यान से देखना कि ये जो मैं बार बार लिख रहा हूं ना, ये तो मैं आपको समझाने के लिए लिख रहा हूं, और अगर आप इस प्रॉब्लम को समझ गए तो ये लाइंस भी आप बड़ी सिंपली लिख सकते हो। यहां पे इतना कुछ लिखने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी आपको, और ये प्रॉब्लम आपका बड़ा सिंपल होके आ गया 53:115, है ना? ये सिंपल। जब वॉल्यूम्स कंटेनर्स के सेम है तब भी आप क्या करोगे वो आपको पता है, जब कंटेनर्स के वॉल्यूम डिफरेंट हो गए तब भी आपको क्या करना है ये भी आपको पता चल गया। नाउ लेट अस टॉक अबाउट दिस वन। It says that 3 glasses of equal volumes. Now 3 glasses of equal volume. Half full of milk, 2/3 full of milk, and 3/4 full of milk. So container 1, container 2, and then container 3. And it says that you have got milk and water. भाई अगर milk half दिया है तो obviously water भी half होगा. So what does that mean? Milk and water have been mixed in 1:1 ratio. And in the second one, it says that milk is 2/3. So water is going to be how much? 1/3. How am I getting 1/3? 1 minus 2/3 comes out as 1/3. और अगर आप ध्यान से देखो तो ये रेशियो कितना आएगा? ये रेशियो है 1:1 और ये रेशियो है 2:1. जब ये पता है तो आप ये लिख सकते हो, ये पता है तो क्या आप ये लिख सकते हो क्या? Isn't it? And in the third one, what is happening? Milk and water are in the ratio. Milk is 3/4. So obviously water is going to be how much? 1/4. तो ये जो 1/4 कैसे निकाला? वो 1 minus 3/4 कर दिया. अब आप ये देख लो, डिनोमिनेटर्स में आपके पास नंबर क्या क्या है? यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर्स में आपके पास नंबर क्या क्या है? 2 है, 3 है और 4 है, तो व्हाट इज दैट यू शुड बी डूइंग, यू शुड बी टेकिंग एलसीएम ऑफ 2, 3, 4। अब ये तो मेंटल कैलकुलेशन है ना, ये मेंटल कैलकुलेशन क्या आ गया, 12 आ गया भाई। इज दैट ओके? तो मैं तो कहूंगा ये सब लिखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है आपको, आप सीधे सीधे यहाँ पे ये जो 2 है, ये 3 है और ये 4 डिनोमिनेटर्स में, इसका एलसीएम निकाल दो, आपका काम खत्म हो गया। और अगर आपने ऐसा कर दिया तो अब आप समझो ना कि यहाँ पे मिल्क कितना होगा 6 लीटर्स और यहाँ पे वाटर कितना होगा 6 लीटर्स, बिकॉज हम तीनों की जो वॉल्यूम है ना वो कितना लेके चल रहे हैं यहाँ पे, वी आर टेकिंग वॉल्यूम ऑफ ऑल द 3 कंटेनर्स एज 12 liters each. So this is also 12 liters, this is also 12 liters and this one is also 12 liters, 6 and 6. Now 2/3 of the 12, 2/3 of the 12 is 8. Do the calculation. 1/3 of the 12 is 4. अगर एक निकल गया तो दूसरा निकालने की जरूरत भी नहीं होनी चाहिए। And this one is going to be how much? 3/4. 3/4 of 12 is 9 and this water is coming out as 3. So how much is milk that we have? Milk is equal to 6 plus 8 plus 9. So this is coming out as what? 14. 14 plus 9, 23 liters. Whereas water is how much? 6 plus 4 plus 3, which is 13 liters. So what is the ratio? 23:13. भाई 12 लीटर इसका लिया, 12 लीटर इसका लिया, 12 लीटर इसको लिया और किसी और कंटेनर में मिला दिया, so the entire volume of the bigger container will be 36 liters. अब आप ये देखो 23:13 यानी 23 लीटर्स हो गया मिल्क एंड 13 लीटर हो गया वाटर एंड द कलेक्टिव वॉल्यूम ऑफ मिल्क एंड वाटर इज कमिंग आउट एज 36। प्रॉब्लम हमारा खत्म हो गया। तो ये प्रॉब्लम्स है बड़े सिंपल। तो मैं ये जो कहना चाहता हूं ना वो ये कहना चाहता हूं कि आप एलसीएम कैसे चूज करोगे, अगर आपको ये समझ में आ गया तो ये प्रॉब्लम आपके लिए एब्सोल्युटली सिंपल हो गया। एंड इफ यू डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड एज टू हाउ यू आर गोना टेक एलसीएम एंड यू स्टार्ट डूइंग द प्रॉब्लम विद फ्रैक्शंस, then you will get stuck, right? अभी तक आप कर क्या रहे हो, मिल्क एंड वाटर को मिला रहे हो, यही है ना। रिप्लेसमेंट आपने अभी तक नहीं सीखी। रिप्लेसमेंट क्या है? देयर इज अ कंटेनर फुल ऑफ प्योर मिल्क, अब उसमें से कुछ निकाल के पानी डाल दिया, फिर दूसरी बार निकाल के फिर पानी डाल दिया, फिर तीसरी बार निकाल के फिर पानी डाल दिया। तो दोज काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स विल डील इन द मिक्सचर्स एंड एलिगेशंस, बट यहां पे हम क्या कर रहे हैं, सिर्फ मिक्सिंग ही कर रहे हैं। So last problem of this video lesson is solution of 40 liters. Again, water and milk are in 2:3, so 2:3. Now you know this is 4, this is 16 and 24. 1/4 of the mixture is replaced. देखो replacement मैंने क्या बोला कि replacement हम डील करेंगे मिक्सचर्स एंड एलिगेशंस में, बट यहाँ पे ये सिंपल सा प्रॉब्लम है तो मैं आपको डील करके दिखा रहा हूँ। It says 1/4 of the mixture is replaced. अब आप देखो ना 1/4 अगर आप निकालते हो तो 1/4 का मतलब कितना हो गया, 40 लीटर्स का 1/4 आपने निकाल दिया 10 लीटर्स। अब 10 लीटर्स में कुछ तो मिल्क भी निकल के जाएगा और कुछ वाटर भी निकल के जाएगा। मिल्क और वाटर किस रेशियो में निकल के जाएगा, 2:3 रेशियो में निकल के जाएगा। वाटर एंड मिल्क, सॉरी देखो यही गलती होती है। सो मिल्क एंड वाटर विल बी 3:2 रेशियो, इसी रेशियो में निकल के जाएगा। और अगर ये इसी रेशियो में निकल के गया, how much milk will be gone? So the milk will be 6 liters and water will be 4 liters. Do you understand this? 10 लीटर निकाला, 3:2, 3/5 of 10 liters, 2/5 of 10 liters will come out as 6 and 4. अब ऐसा होने के बाद देखो यहां से 6 लीटर्स चला गया और यहां से 3 लीटर्स चला गया, सॉरी यहां से 4 लीटर वाटर विल गो आउट and 6 liters of milk will go out. So you are left with 12 liters of water and 18 liters of milk. 30 लीटर बचा हुआ है जी। अब आपसे वो क्या कहना चाहता है, is replaced with pure milk. आपने क्या किया, 10 लीटर सॉल्यूशन निकाला। जब 10 लीटर सॉल्यूशन निकाला तो उसमें पूरा का पूरा ना तो वाटर था और ना तो पूरा का पूरा मिल्क था। मिल्क was 6 liters whereas water was 4 liters. तो वो 6 liters we subtract from here and 4 liters we subtract from here. So the quantity of water is 12 liters and 18 liters in 30 liters of mixture. अब आपने क्या कर दिया, 10 लीटर पानी मिला दिया, 10 लीटर क्या मिला दिया, प्योर मिल्क मिला दिया। So if you add pure milk here, so the proportion gets changed. And what is the new proportion then? It is coming out as 12 liters of water whereas 28 liters of milk. And what is going to be the new? So this is going to be 6:14 or you can write 3:7. So the new proportion of water to milk is coming out as 3:7. ये आंसर्स गलत हैं भाई. So this is coming out as 3:7. I hope you're understanding these problems. So this is what I had. What did I say? Replacement, we will take care of these kind of problems in mixtures and alligations. In the next video, I'm going to be solving all the questions that were asked in 2018 and 2019 of CAT from ratio and proportion problem. So you must be able to understand, you must be able to gauge your preparedness through these video number 1 to video number 10. तो मेरे को ये उम्मीद है कि आप ना रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन में तो इन वीडियोस को देखने के बाद में मास्टर कर ही जाओगे, राइट? सो आई एम गोना सी यू देयर. Till then, bye bye and take care, and thank you very much for watching this.